boy here, and a Merry freaking Christmas to you. So, I bought a few packs from my store. See what I get. First one is a Vivid Voltage. I get that Christmas luck. Get that Fat Chew or VMAX Charizard. One, two, three. I think it's four to the front. And I want to say it's a Lightning Energy. Damn, fighting. Let's fight. Charmeleon. Penrachini. See, a lot of these new ones, Pokemons, I don't know nothing about. Execute. Woobat. Beldum. Blazel. And Weedle. Ooh, and Drippin' V. Now let's go to a Shield and Sword. It's heavy. This pack. One, two, three, four. And fire. Electricity. Metal. Super Balls. Mantis. Oops. Wooloo. Gronky. Rhyhorn. Rosella. Or Rosilla. Reverse Hollow. Lumberry and a Sandaconda. Sandaconda. Hollow. Code card for you guys. Bam. Another one for you guys. Bam. And my last Vivid Voltage pack. Sablewolf. Come on, Fat Chew. Come on, VMAX Charizard. But can't get lucky all the time. One, two, three, four. Psychic. Nope. Charmeleon. Telescopic. Mightyena. Tynamono. Glubpus. Maybe this is the one that evolves into that fighting octopus. Woobat. Chulip. Talo. Ooh, a reverse hollow Lugia. And Charizard. But not hollow. I think I got this one. Not the Charizard we were looking for, but it's a Charizard. Non-hollow. Better luck next time. Alright. Well, we got this nice reverse Hallelujah. Till next time. I keep ordering the mystery boxes. So hopefully I get some in and you guys can watch me open it. And let's hope for that vintage pack. If it's a vintage pack, I may not open it. Unless if it's a heavy pack, I'm definitely gonna open it. But wish me luck, guys. Hopefully it comes in. If you guys don't know about it, check out your Walgreens. They do have a vintage mystery box out there. If you've been getting good cards Let me know what you guys get. And it was, like I said before, if you guys want me to put up these code cards, I still have a whole stack of them. I could do a video on that. And again, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and hit that notification bell.